My name is Tara Alexis. I'm a first-time home buyer. Fred of Delgado Realty helped me buy this beautiful home behind me. He helped me secure the best loan. It was an easy process. The transaction was smooth. Any question that I had, it was matched with a timely answer. And at times where I got nervous, I was there. He was there to help me, to reassure me throughout this big purchase. And they'll tailor it for you if you're coming in, like myself. No two people are alike, so they will help you. It would be custom made for you, and they'll really tend to your needs. I'm very pleased throughout this entire process. Again, here's the beautiful home, and Delgado Realty, Fred, the best.
Every real estate agent will promise to sell your home, but I guarantee it. Hi, I'm David Delgado, and I guarantee in writing to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I'll buy it myself. Because we sell more homes than any other team in Metro Los Angeles, we can do more to sell your home fast and for more money. My clients' homes sell on average for 2.4% more and twice as fast. If you're not happy, fire me. You will be happy. That's why I've been selected as one of the top 200 real estate agents in the country. To discuss the sale of your home, visit my website or call me today.